Can I register a trademark for a slogan or a phrase? I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes talking about that. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney. Go ahead and drop any questions into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live. So, can I register a trademark for a slogan or a phrase? The answer is emphatically yes. Of course you can. In fact, some of the most famous trademarks on earth are slogans and phrases. Let's look at a few. Just do it. That is Nike's famous trademark for athletic shoes and athletic clothing. The happiest place on earth is Disney's trademark for its iconic theme parks. Because you're worth it is L'Oreal's trademark for its cosmetics and skincare. Snap, Crackle, Pop, that is Kellogg's trademark for its Rice Krispies cereal. I'm Lovin' It is McDonald's trademark for their fast food services. Pick Enterprise, we'll pick you up. That is Enterprise Rent-A-Car's slogan for their rental car services. I could go on, but you get the picture. A lot of very famous brands, big brands, are using slogans and phrases for their trademarks. Now, slogans are really great trademarks because they tell you in a very sort of compact package something about the goods or services. They make you maybe feel a certain way about the goods and services. So they bring up in the mind of the consumer certain images or feelings just encapsulated into that one little phrase or slogan. For example, the Enterprise Rent-A-Car slogan, Pick Enterprise, we'll pick you up, tells the consumer some things about the services that Enterprise Rent-A-Car is offering. They tell the consumer, without saying all this long paragraph that I'm about to say, hey, if you pick Enterprise Rent-A-Car, you're not going to have to schlep out to the rent-a-car terminal because we're going to come pick you up. So we're going to save you the hassle of figuring out where to go and how to get there. So if you pick our services, we're going to come pick you up and we're going to make it really easy for you. So they have encapsulated that whole idea into Pick Enterprise, we'll pick you up, which is great because it tells the consumer exactly what the distinguishing factor is when you pick Enterprise. They can pick you up. And the fact that Enterprise Rent-A-Car has registered that as a trademark means that their competitors cannot use that trademark or something similar. So Budget Rent-A-Car can't say, pick budget, we'll pick you up, because it's confusingly similar to Enterprise Rent-A-Car's slogan. So it prevents your competitors from using your same slogan to describe their goods and services. So Budget Rent-A-Car may have a pickup service. I don't know. But because Enterprise Rent-A-Car has registered a trademark for that slogan, it means that their competitors can't use it. What's another example? Disney's The Happiest Place on Earth. So this makes the consumer feel a certain sort of way about Disney's offerings. So the consumer knows that if they pick Disney theme parks for their vacation, they are assured of being happy. Why? Because Disney is the happiest place on earth. So if they go to some other theme park, maybe it's, I don't know, the second happiest place on earth. But the point is, because Disney has registered the happiest place on earth as a trademark for its theme park services, their competitors now cannot use any phrase that's similar to that. They can't even say we're the second happiest place on earth because that would be, again, confusingly similar to Disney's happiest place on earth trademark. And so they can't use it. Disney has essentially, through its registration, drawn a fence around that phrase for the trademark happiest place on earth used in association with their theme park services. Because you're worth it tells the consumer, this is L'Oreal's trademark for cosmetics and skincare. It tells the consumer, hey, you know what? It's okay if you feel a little bit guilty buying these skincare products. Don't feel guilty. You're worth it, right? So why did you buy L'Oreal? Well, because I'm worth it. So maybe it makes the consumer feel like, hey, it's okay. I was a little extravagant, but I'm worth it. That's the slogan. So slogans make the consumer feel a certain sort of way about your goods or services that you have on offer, and they package that into something that's short and punchy and catchy and very memorable in the mind of the consumer. So that's why slogans and phrases make really, really good trademarks. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyrights. If you have trademark and copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get all of my newest material.